Hi everyone, Minerva here. I'm going to finish the birdhouse. I'm gonna turn the camera down. I hope you're all having a nice weekend. And this is a final video for the birdhouse. Since the last video, I don't know if I had added these flowers. And today I used a Nuvo glitter pen. I added a little bit of sparkle to the flowers, a little bit of clear glitter. I added this bow. This is where the lace, where I finished attaching the lace, I added this little bow. This is from Emma's Garden Grove. She made that bow. And what else? Oh, and I started making a little nest up here on the roof. I couldn't find a little bird with feathers, but I found this clay one I had made a while back. I painted it with some markers, alcohol ink markers, and that's what I'm going to put here on the over here, if I can find it, right there. I'm going to go ahead and glue it on, and that's all I'm going to be adding. The little bird and the nest, and I have another bird, a little bird that I'll probably prop in the nest. I guess I had used up all of my other birds. So there's the bird. For the nest, what I've been doing is, you know how birds just grab different things and they keep building on the nest. So that's what I'm doing, but grabbing stuff from my little box I have where I put all kinds of odds and ends or little pieces of this and that. Like this piece of jute ribbon. So that's what I've been doing for the nest. Pieces of trim that I used last night. Just like the birds do. And I'm gonna add a little bit of pearls, like this little piece here. And that look pretty. That looks cute. I like it. Just trying not to burn myself. I used a glue gun to tack them in place. Have a little bit of, I thought this was seam binding, but it's ribbon. It's wet. It's hot. Okay, let's see. This little piece here has a little bit of pearls and things. And I think that should do it. There's the nest. Let me go around there. This is a piece, I was wondering what this is. It's a piece of jute. So this is the other little bird that I have. It might be a little big. I'm gonna, blow this with the, whatchamacallit, the heat gun to get rid of all those nasty glue strings. And there's the little bird up on the, it's facing backwards. Damn. What were you thinking? There. This is the front. There's a little birdie. There's his mom. And let's see if it needs a little bit more. I think I need to color this. Oops. Use this marker. Needs a little bit of paint on the other side. A little bit of color. I think I used a flesh color clay. Maybe I'm gonna add a little piece here. And that should do it. I think that looks cute. I thought about it. I was gonna make it with jute, but then I remember how the birds go gathering stuff to make their nest, and I said, well, hey, why not gather stuff from the trims and that. Wish you could see the glitter on this rose. It looks so pretty, the shimmer. Let me see if I can. Looks really pretty. Oh, and I'm gonna add some leaves. These little leaves. I'm gonna add them on the roses. Let me see if I'll add 3 of them. Let's see. One there. Oops. A glob of glue here. And another one here. And one over here. There you go. I've decided to leave these gaps here. So that's it, I think. I clean up the glue strings, and I think those are enough flowers because I have flowers up here, and the paper has flowers. I really like it. I think it's cute. Let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. Thanks for the comments. And I'll see you in my next video. My next project. I think this lace looks so pretty. The lace. I don't know, it's not focusing today. Okay, guys. Hope you have a great weekend. And like I said, thanks for watching. Thanks for the comments. And subscribe, like, share. And I hope I've inspired you to decorate a bird nest. I mean, a bird cage. Ugh. A birdhouse. Bye-bye. Let me try taking a picture of this to see if I... well, I can't see it.